Okay, so I have to wait for this to warm up, but the thing is, I don't really know when it's warmed up enough. I think it's warm enough. So I did that. And remember, always have an authority around. The only reason I don't is because I'm old enough to know. And because I forgot the last two videos, the letter of the day today is a pink H. The last video was a light blue A, and the other video was a yellow T. And this guy is here to tell you to subscribe. I don't have that much videos, so remember, watch this video, subscribe, like the video, and make sure you hit that notification bell for any new videos that I've posted. Trying to get to 30. Yeah. So if you could just pop down there. Yeah, it'd be a really huge thing. It'd be a really huge thing. So, be right back. So I'm gonna put this to the test. It's working. And it's not falling off. Yes. Don't worry, I have better handwriting. Subscribe and like the video. Do it. Boo! Subscribe, Green. Let's put this to the test real quick. I think it wrote another secret message too. See if you can decode it. So I have a surprise. Today we're gonna also be making a smoothie. And that should be done pretty soon. Or we're actually gonna show making a smoothie on this video. So here's a little treat for the video. Hold on. So we're actually gonna make smoothies on a different video.